As the holiday season approaches, it's time to deck the halls and bring your Christmas tree to life. This year, Christmas ornaments are more magical than ever, blending nostalgic charm with modern elegance. From shimmering metallics to eco-friendly designs, 2024's ornament trends are all about creating a festive wonderland with a personal touch. Ready to elevate your holiday decor? Let's dive into the trends that will make your tree the centerpiece of Christmas magic. 2024 is all about celebrating the beauty of nature. Ornaments inspired by woodland creatures, pine cones, and frosted berries bring an earthy charm to your tree. Think soft, neutral palettes with pops of green and red. Handcrafted ceramic foxes, felt owls, and twig stars are some of this year's must-haves. Pair these with warm, twinkling lights and your tree will feel like a cozy forest retreat. Metallics are making a bold statement this year, but with a twist. Brushed gold, champagne, and antique silver dominate the palette. These elegant tones add a touch of luxury without overwhelming your tree. Layer them with velvet ribbons or translucent ornaments for a look that's both sophisticated and timeless. Whether you're hosting a grand party or enjoying a quiet Christmas Eve, metallics set the perfect tone. The trend of custom ornaments continues strong into 2024, allowing you to make your tree uniquely yours. From engraved names to photo baubles, these keepsakes tell a story. Many artisans are offering hand-painted designs that capture milestones, making them ideal for gifting. Imagine looking back years later and reliving those precious memories, pure holiday magic. If you're loving these festive ideas, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more holiday inspiration. Hit the like button and let us know in the comments which 2024 Christmas ornament trend is your favorite. Share your ideas. We can't wait to hear how you're decorating your tree this year. Nostalgia takes center stage with ornaments reminiscent of the 1950s and 60s. Think bold colors, shiny finishes, and playful designs like vintage Santas, classic toy trains, and candy canes. This trend is perfect for families who want to inject a bit of whimsy and fun into their decor while reminiscing about simpler times. Eco-conscious decorating is a significant trend this year. Look for ornaments made from recycled glass, wood, or fabric. Zero-waste designs like dried orange slices or salt dough stars add charm while keeping your holiday footprint light. Pair these with a natural tree or even a potted plant for a sustainable celebration. This Christmas, let your tree tell a story of elegance, nostalgia, and joy. Whether you embrace shimmering metallics, natural elements, or retro charm, 2024's ornaments offer endless ways to make your holiday season magical. So grab a cup of cocoa, turn on the carols, and let your creativity shine. Happy decorating, and may your holidays sparkle with love and light.